You make that awesome video and you upload it to YouTube and you wait and no one looks. Why? What have I done? Did you realize that every second of every day, 29 videos are uploaded to YouTube? That's 1,740 per minute, 104,400 videos every hour. The question is not why. The question is how. How does your video get discovered? It's the use of titles and keywords and descriptions that feed into something called SEO. And with SEO, it causes your video to stand out from the crowd. That's where Jabir Ahmed comes in. Jabir is an SEO expert. This is what he did with just one of my videos, and I am sure that he can do the same with yours. Check him out. Links are in the description.